Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to use TikTok on mobile. In order to use TikTok on mobile, you need to follow these steps. First thing, you have to install TikTok. So depending on the device that you're using, head over to your respective app store. Install TikTok on your device and click on the open button. In my case, I already have an account. Now, you have to make sure to create an account. Without creating an account as well, you could go and explore TikTok contents, but you'll not be able to comment nor like the content. So you must create an account. So if you don't know how to create an account, you could watch out my videos. I'll make sure to drop the link on my description box below as well. Now, let's say that you're done creating your account, then you'll be taken to this sort of For You page. Now, over here, what you could do is click on the profile initials and then start adding people, or maybe you could start uploading content. If you want to add a video to your TikTok, then you want to click on the plus button right in center. You could either take a photo or else you could also go ahead and upload it from the gallery itself. After which, you just need to select the video that you want to go with, tap on the next button, upload it and you should start receiving likes and comments as well. As you're done with that, what you need to do is after which you could go ahead and use the search bar tool feature in order to find content. Click on it. You could go ahead and find people or maybe add people to your TikTok application. And you could also go ahead and like, share and comment as well. That is, if you like this content, then you can click on this heart icon. If you want to comment, tap on the three dot icon. If you want to save this content, tap on the bookmark icon. And if you want to share with other people, you could tap on the share button and select the media or a platform, or maybe you could do it in the TikTok app itself. And accordingly, you go and follow the on-screen prompt. And this is the way you'll be able to use TikTok on mobile. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.